Hi, welcome back. Another important session. It's not session, it's not SAP session. Some kind of tip. Let's see this. What is the topic today? Chances to negotiate notice period using ethical ways. Okay. It might be from your SAP SD or S4 HANA, or else you take any software for that matters. So it is a bug in employee's mind. So for example, nowadays notice period is 90 days. 2 months, it was quite old. 1 month is even quite old. Nowadays, it is minimum 3 months, most of the companies. So people are getting fear, or else, they're shrinking themselves to negotiate this notice period. But there are certain positive situations where you can able to release as early as possible to get join in new job. Okay. The first favorite thing, bench period. For example, you have finished your own project or for a certain duration of a project you have finished, and after that you are not getting projects. So then you can negotiate directly with your manager, bench manager or people manager, or directly with the HR. So if you can able to, if you don't have any future projects, you can relieve me. This is how it is helpful to me. But 99% they don't leave you, but it has a chances. If you really not interested to continue in the current company, you will have a discussion. Okay. Second one, project priority. For example, in your project priority, for example, you are the person is responsible for only configuration and solution, and after that data loads, another company is picking up in that project. The project itself it is completely rolled off, or else in a project your work is finished. For example, certain task is supposed to be performed within 3 months. You have finished 1 month. Okay, you can able to finish 1 month. That you can negotiate your manager, and parallelly he will negotiate with HR. This is how it has a chances performing work. Buyback. This is the common one. Like people think that generally buybacks won't happen. You can take the survey. A lot of buybacks will happen when moving from one company to another company. What is buyback? For example, you're supposed to work 3 months. Your salary is 50,000 a month. 1.5 lakhs you are paying, and immediately you are relieving. Depends on the situation and the conditions which your current manager and HR is going to implement for your relieving process. Certain times they don't agree if you pay back also. Okay. So this buyback option, you need not pay from your pocket. Other company, the project is ready. They would like to, they suppose they might be in a fuming situation. They would like to invite you. Okay. As early as possible. The new company where you got recruited, that company is going to pay your current employer. Okay. This is one thing. Use remaining as holidays. This is also you can negotiate. For example, if you are on bench, or else 2 months you're supposed to work, 1 month you're supposed to join a new company. That is the negotiation. 1 month holidays you have you working holidays are there, paid leaves are there. You can tell them like this 1 month you can take it as a compensation for the 1 month work, and you can relieve. But generally it won't work, but you can try. Have chances, but these things actually already proved. Early release, whatever. Impress your manager. That is also one thing. Like he can do some favor, like tell to the not much useful in my project to the HR, but generally these kind of things will not happen. Generally, you cannot close with your manager, right? Most of the times. Okay. And joining with a new company, but work for both. This is unethical way, but it's worth risky. But it must be agreed by both the employers. Generally, they don't agree, and it is very difficult to do one job only. Two jobs. Two jobs you can manage 1 month, 2 months if you really wanted to join in that new company. Okay, offline work without submitting experience letter. This is also negotiation with the new current project manager. There they will try to pay offline you, so that if you are working home or else second shift, you can support them. But officially, you are not joined in that new company. Once you are onboarded, then you can submit your experience letter and you can able to do it. All these are ethical ways. Absconding and fighting with your people and forcibly living. These are I don't suggest. These are the ethical ways. Okay, you can try. Okay, if you have any other ways you found it is useful, you can comment below if you tried so. And that's all at my end. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe my channel to get more important inputs for SAP learning as well as general relevant stuff. All these are the different kind of courses at my end. If you really want it, you can take an opportunity. If you're looking for SAP SD and S4 HANA logistics, you can try all these courses. Currently, I'm holding 4,178 students and 553 successful reviews. What you want to choose a course. Okay. So that's it. That's all for today. Okay. Let's catch up. Maybe general tips or future SAP knowledge transfer. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. I'm just providing Udemy links below this video. Stay tuned with my channel so that you'll get a lot of stuff before getting into your industry. Okay. First job. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great